Hello everyone, and welcome to my videos that will show you how to create an Android game for free, and at the end of this you'll be able to create and run on your own Android devices without spending a penny. Now, most of us are in isolation at the moment, so it would be a good thing for your kids to do at home. All they need is access to the internet, and again, not a penny needs to be spent. Now, by no means do you need any coding skill. This is purely a web front end. It's not something that I've built this or endorsed. It's a site that I've found, and I'm willing to guide anyone through it who may need some help. So if you open a browser on your PC and go to a website called quickappninja.com, what this website does is it allows you to make Android quiz games without needing any coding skills. All the code is done for you in the background. All you are supplying is the idea, the images, and you get to choose all of your color schemes. So we'll start by registering, and I'm going to register with a Google account. So obviously if you've been through this step already, you can just sign straight in. Click on the Google account you wish to use that you've got set up in your browser. Agree to all of the terms and conditions, and uncheck any of the boxes if you don't want to be bombarded with emails. But from experience, these do not bombard you. You do not get many, maybe one a month, if that. But totally up to you. I choose to remove. Click on continue, and that's it. You are registered. So what this website does is it gives you a reward scheme, and we'll get into that a little bit later. So everything that you do in this app, they reward you with some points, and that's a bonus towards in-app functionality, which again I'll show you later. So straight away, just by registering, 25 points in the bag. So if we do here, create new game, this website has 5 templates that you can use. Quite a popular one, 4 pics 1 word, where you can upload 4 pictures and give an answer that you need your person to guess, whoever's running your app. Guess the picture, which simply you upload 1 picture and they try and guess what it is. You can do a tiles, which is kind of the same as guess the picture, but it's hidden away, and they have to reveal each space and try and guess the picture without opening many of the tiles. Obviously, the less they open, the better, more points they get, let's say. We have a find words, which is basically a word search. You can set a grid of any size, hide some words in it, and then just create level after level after level. Chat story, something that I've not really played with, but it's one where if your kid's got quite a good imagination, they can create a whole story that may be between 2, 3, 4, 5 friends, and the story can go on and on and on. So anyone that's running your app will just get to read the story that they're creating. Not one that I really play with. I usually stick around the pictures. What they also is, so if I go to the achievements, like I said, by clicking on the Android icon, let's say, didn't mean to do that. These are the kind of points that you can earn if you watch the welcome video, because like I say, this is not just my tutorial. This website supplies many tutorials of their own to guide you through their functionality. So a welcome video will give you 5 points. Once you've created your first game, another 5 points, and so on. There's many different developer, basic, explorer, general. We'll get into, because some of them reward you once you get to a certain level. Once you get to 100 points, they reward you with a white label feature. We'll cover that later. And 200 points, you get an in-app purchase. So if your intention is to put this application or game that you create into a application store like Google Play, that part is not free. You would need to buy a developer account with Google, which is it's not a huge amount of money, but if you wanted to release your game to the world and let other people download it and play it, and by doing that, you will then be in a position where you could start making money. Not a huge amount. You're not going to become a millionaire unless your game is brilliant, but a few pennies do not hurt. And the white label feature is basically when you create a game, standardly, Quick App Ninja, they have a banner on the application basically to say that your app was made using their system. It doesn't overpower the user, it is hidden away, but you can do a white label which basically removes all connections to Quick App Ninja and just makes it look like it's your own. You could be lucky enough, once you create a game, to hit the top charts. This is used globally, and straight away 5 points for viewing the top charts. If you make a very popular game, you could appear in the all-time this week monthly or 100 charts, and if you make that list, you're doing very well. There's tutorials, so obviously if I'm not making any sense and you need extra help, they have their own, like I say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an app, but I'm going to do that as a separate video. This one's going to be nice, short and sweet, and I'll do a video for each game type to talk you through, so you can choose which game type you're willing to start with and just watch that individual video. So look forward to doing the future videos, and hopefully someone is listening and gets some use out of this. Thank you.